For more than 25 years, ESDU has worked closely with researchers, rural communities, and decision-makers to sustain food systems. Through this work, we kept seeing the same contradiction. Valuable food resources were being wasted, while food producers were struggling to make a living. That is where our project began. In Lebanon's dairy sector, this contradiction is especially visible. Every year, up to 900 tons of high BOD acidic whey are generated as a byproduct of strained yogurt. Although this whey is rich in nutrients, it is usually discharged into wastewater systems because there are no practical reuse pathways at scale. This creates serious environmental pollution and puts additional pressure on already overstretched infrastructure. At the same time, rural cooperatives, particularly women-led ones, face rising production costs and limited access to safe and affordable inputs, putting their income and continuity at risk. To address this gap, we developed the WISE project. At its core, WISE introduces a scientifically validated method to transform acidic whey into kishk, a nutritious food familiar and trusted in local diets. The method follows a simple step-by-step process using low-cost equipment, which keeps the final product affordable while providing a new income source for participating cooperatives. Here's an overview. The method follows a simple, low-cost sequence. First, whey is collected and checked against basic intake parameters. 2, it is then concentrated and blended with standardized bulgur ratios. 3, the mixture ferments under controlled conditions and is dried hygienically to a defined water activity, making it shelf-stable. Throughout the process, ESDU developed standard operating procedures and batch records ensure consistency, traceability, and food safety. In practice, the project will work on 2 tracks. First, we will equip and train cooperatives to adopt the technique. Second, we will support the product's entry into the market through consumer awareness and a traceability dashboard that builds trust. This approach directly responds to the gaps we identified earlier. 1, it turns a polluting waste stream into safe and nutritious food. 2, it reduces environmental pressure through sustainable and regenerative practices. 3, it strengthens equitable access to affordable and trusted food. We are confident that ESDU has the experience and know-how to take this work forward. We began by validating the method through controlled laboratory testing on 33 kishk samples, confirming that it is safe, nutritionally consistent, and sensorially equivalent to traditional products. Building on these results, we then worked directly with 3 women-led cooperatives where the technique was tested and successfully adopted. At the same time, 3 dairy farms issued letters of support, demonstrating both a reliable whey supply and strong confidence from the sector. The approach was further reviewed and endorsed by the Ministry of Agriculture, whose technical teams participated in sensory testing and validation. This progress was made possible by a multidisciplinary team bringing together expertise in community development, food science, nutrition, environmental engineering, markets, and food policy. The impact doesn't stop here. With the regional dairy market growing by around 5% annually and whey management regulations tightening, we are ready to expand this model beyond the pilot phase. In years 1 to 2, with support from Feeding the Future grant, we will consolidate within Lebanon and expand to 13 women-led cooperatives, directly benefiting 250 women producers. Between years 3 and 5, scale will be driven through partnerships with donors, ministries, development actors, and local institutions, supporting wider adoption, reaching tens of thousands of beneficiaries in Lebanon. Beyond year 5, regional expansion will be pursued through ESDU's academic collaborations and local partners in Kenya, Egypt, Tunisia, and Jordan, allowing impact to grow steadily.
From a single observation in the field, research, local knowledge, and partnership have shown that we can, through the WISE project, turn waste, which is whey, into a great nourishment, which is kishk. With your great support, we are ready to turn this little experiment and to scale it up to improve the local food systems and the resilient food security.